Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm Dinesh. This is Cranks and Pistons, and today it's going to be a motorcycle day. We are headed out to the classic motorcycle show of Hong Kong. So let's quickly get in the car, start her up and get on our way. So now I've got this engine light. I don't know what's going to be the issue, but let's just get through today and then let's see what to do about this. Now for a quick cold start. Let's go, baby. Oh, a bit out of control there. Welcome to the show, guys. Welcome to the classic motorcycle show of Hong Kong. And as soon as I entered, check what I found. BMW is a 1800cc bike. It is madness. It's massive. You can see the length on this. Regarding to me, beautiful bike. Now we're gonna go in there and go check out what other hidden secrets Hong Kong has to offer. So I hear in the classic motorcycle show they also have some classic cars as well, and I'm really excited to check it out, but more excited to check out the motorbikes. There's quite a few just walking by the entrance. There have been quite a few. So let's go for a quick montage and check out what they have.
Audio Jungle.
I can totally see the cars from here, but we're going to start with the bikes because it is a classic motorbike show. So let's start with the best bikes that are there around. Starting with Marc Marquez's CBR. I don't think this is the race version, looking at those headlamps on it, but that's pretty cool. And then there's some really cool old school classics like this mad Ducati, just the Ferrari red on this, Toro Rosso I believe. It's a beautiful red and it's gleaming in the sun right next to this BMW Cafe Racer, both the Cafe Racers. Pretty sick. So they have like all range of bikes, from choppers to race bikes to scooters, everything. This you guys need to check out. This is a sick custom bike with so much pearls on it. This purple is beautiful. It's a beautiful tone of purple. And the name Red Horse belongs to this club right here. They're the Bikers Club, Hong Kong. They have some sick collections. Starting with the Harley. They also have this massive Boozer. Yeah. Sick Boozer. Because they use it regularly, they have all the mods done to it, matching calipers, handlebars. 1300. Man, that's powerful. This one right here. And once you clear out the choppers, you come to the new school. And this stand is one of my favorites. Yes, if it wasn't for the Ducati, I would have probably made a play for one of these. It is the MV Augusta and the Triumph. The bobber right there is one of my favorites. So sick. It's light as hell and it can open up matte. It's MV Dragster and the MV Super Veloce. As we walk by, we come back to the classics again. And here's a old school monster. I think this is a 2005 and earlier edition, or 2008 and before. This could be 800. Yes, it's a Monster 800. This is a good play, but I'm surprised they don't have any dents on the tank right here. I don't know how they managed to do that. Oh, okay, it's really not touching. If you see from here, it really doesn't touch. It's not like our ones. It does touch the tank quite a bit. This classic Moto Guzzi set. This I know. This I have seen in quite a few movies. V50 Monza. Is this Italian? I'm not sure. My history on Moto Guzzi is really bad. I know more about the ones that I like and have owned before. This is cool. Scott Flying Squirrel 500cc twin cylinder. Where's the engine? That is a small engine block, really small engine block. But I'm sure it's light as hell, so it's gonna take down, it's gonna put some massive rubber on the roads. And then some more classics. Norton. Military BSA. I believe the Royal Enfield was derived from these bikes. So these were the ones used in World War I, I believe. No, II. This is 1943. So they couldn't have used it in World War I. It's British military motorcycling. And we have this CBR right here, one of the fastest of its time, and another BMW dragster. I never knew BMWs were so cool. These classic ones, massive engines popping out on either side of the block. Beautiful. That was sick. The whole lineup over here is really, really cool. But then, just right there, there's an even cooler lineup. So I'm not going to keep teasing you guys. Now let's go check out the classic cars that are there on display. All right, you guys ready for the classic cars? And there's one beautiful car here, and that's at the end of the line. So we're going to see that at the last. But we'll start with the Morris. This 1953 Morris Minor. So in India, we have this car called the Ambassador, the Hindustan Motors Ambassador. This resembles it so much, and maybe it's like a mix between the Volkswagen Beetle and the Ambassador. And then walking along, we have the Citroen. This is more like a beach car with the open roof. It's, I think, one of the first convertibles that came out. And then we have the 964. It's purple Porsche 964. Beautiful matching interiors. I don't think this is really purple. I think it's more of a maroon sorts. And if you take a look at the interior, it's very similar. It's got the same tan maroon leather, and it's in pretty good condition. It's not bad. Yeah, that's really nice engine setup. And then moving over, it's the F-Type. F-Type? E-Type. E-Type, okay. Again, this came out right before the F-Type. This long ass bonnet. This as big as my whole wingspan right here. And the back part is like really small. It's more like the SLK. Ferrari, baby. Mondial Quattro Valole. The Mondial Quattro Valole. I don't think this got too much value at the moment, but it is a classic, so it's got like beautiful engineering on it. It's got the classic wheels. It's like what Skoll has got it right now. If you watch DDE very often, you'll be able to see this on Damon's car. He's got it on his Aventador SVJ. He's got a very similar set of wheels, more modernized, but that's for a newer Lamborghini, but this is an old school Ferrari. Jaguar XSR, that's alright, not a fan. But one of my favorites is coming up, right now. Classic Porsche Kegi, and check out the wideness of this, you guys. It's like a stock wide body kit on this Kegi. Joker. Come check this out. Because of the purple, I think this would be a perfect old school Joker's car. And yes, I know you guys spotted that. The Corvette, baby. So this was imported all the way in from, I believe, Vegas or San Francisco, I'm not sure. Like 15 years ago, the gentleman who moved here brought it along, and it's been here ever since. The sick classic tan interior, and it's also for sale. If anyone's interested, it's really not too much. I think it is pretty affordable for a classic. It's got a beautiful engine, sick bonnet. It's like every Hot Wheels that you've always had, always owned. Stingray. Beautiful Corvette Stingray. Alright guys, before we go, I have to show you guys this bike. Electric being the future and all that. This is one of the fastest electric super bikes right now in the market. The Energica Evo. It's Italian and it is mad fast. And because it's electric, obviously there's no sound and all that, doesn't have exhaust, anything. But it's got some mad power to lay out on the road. Let's do a quick walk around of this electric super bike. This is insane. This is just perfect timing. Yesterday we checked out the Model Y, and today it's the Energica Evo. Split handlebars right here. Carbon fiber everywhere. Everything is pretty much carbon fiber here. And obviously the drivetrain is really light because it is not internal combustion. It's just mainly battery, so it's perfect. It's perfect for track. It's perfect for daily use. It's beautiful, and if you see here closely, it doesn't have a clutch. So it's an automatic. Ideally, it's got just power off the go. It just keeps gonna go. And the braking is regenerative braking, what Tesla uses. The same technology used in this. So you keep charging. The more faster you ride and the more you slow down, you're gonna keep charging at the same time. Some special features, monoshock. It's got the monoshock right here, and it's got the tail tally cage that comes automatically with all the branding that is there, and the sprocket setup, and it's got Brembo brakes, beautiful Brembo brakes on them. Now let's quickly head down there. There's some big boys starting the bikes up. Check that out. Patina is starting up. Come on. The Patina is starting up. The Patina Harley Davidson. Jumping on it to start it up. Look at the size of the V-twin engine, guys. It's gonna sound insane. I'm just waiting for it to come back into life.
Somebody called the playbook?
Should I go offer him a kick? Bro, I'll help you give a kick, I might have some little extra foot power. I don't know. Maybe you should check if there's fuel. So that people don't steal fuel. Or what if you empty it when you park it in the show and then you want to start it back after the show? You have to remember to pour some fuel into it. So sad, he's so embarrassed right now. Everyone is so much pressure right now. Everyone is staring at him. Like, holy shit. Hey!
3 hours later.
That's so cool, guys. Some crazy rides here today. Some mad bikes. The classics are beautiful, and the way they have built it up is sick. For example, that patina ride there, it was cool. He could start it, electric started, but even he was trying to do a kickstart, you know, for the coolness of it, but then it didn't work, so he just did his normal button start and then he headed on out. Now let's take a quick stroll around where all the tourers are lined up. These are massive. One of the gold wings is huge, and these are the ones with, I believe, the Bluetooth speakers and everything. All the Hondas in a line. Yeah, baby, this one right here. This is so sick. Look at the cockpit display. It's maximum 240 on the gauge. You can probably do way more than that. Obviously, finally, the newest addition to the motorcycle family, the trike. The RSS. What is this? BRP. Okay. There's not the Can-Am, there's not the KTM Expo. It's a Can-Am? Oh, okay. It's a Can-Am then. BRP. I don't know much about the trikes. Like maybe the Expo a little bit because I love that one. That's pretty cool. And I don't think that's a trike though. I think that's just a ATV sort of a vehicle. I'm not really sure. All in all then, it's a pretty good display of vehicles and cars here. The cars, Corvette's my favorite. For the bike, I would say the BMW. Let's go find out which one that was. I totally forgot what it was. The BMW was called Energica, obviously, but then you would see more of the Energicas, but the BMW right here, probably not. Yes, this one right here, representing the Heineken. Might be for sale, we don't know. But yeah, this was one of my favorites in the bike range. And the choppers, always. The choppers are really cool. I'm always a big fan. So I just found out this is 21.5 kilowatts, so there's no horsepower. It's obviously electric, right? But the top end is pretty solid on this, and I'm sure you can take down the Buza right there. It can take down the 1300 Buza, probably the Hedge too. But obviously we'll need the update. We need to upgrade the suspensions and the wheels. Then it's going to be much better. So it is a beauty. If you guys like this bike, smash the like button. You know, we're going to make more videos on this. I've just spoken to the team right here. We're going to make more videos on the Energica and explore all the electric variants of the super bikes and see where it goes. That's it for the vlog, you guys. If you like today's video, like it and subscribe for more content from Hong Kong, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until the next time, peace.